welcome to another video where I will explain to you how you can transform your strategic goals into a real structured portfolio even if you don't have any experience with digital tools. So imagine that you want to transform your strategic objectives into a concrete portfolio of projects. Here, AIZoPlan offers several options, including proven approaches like design thinking or the Digital Maturity Assessment Model (DMA). AIZoPlan also includes a DMA model specifically designed for every industry, which allows you to generate a structured backlog in terms of portfolios, programs, and projects aligned with your strategic objectives. So this tool helps you evaluate how advanced your company is when it comes to digital transformation and gives you a clear roadmap to improve. So we'll begin by creating our digital maturity assessment. So another option is to use AIZoCopilot to generate a digital maturity model perfectly tailored to the specific needs of your business. We also have the option to use recognized frameworks such as eTransform 365, Mckinsey, Microsoft, and Columbia Business School. Now that we have created our digital maturity model, we'll navigate to the library so we could have an insight about our generated DMM. So here we have the status. So our DMM model is still in generation, so we will select an existing framework and we will proceed with the next steps. First, let me explain to you the purpose of the DMM. So the DMM, or the Digital Maturity Model, is structured to enable users to define their current state and their desired state. So the gap identified between these two states help you build a tailored or detailed roadmap to achieve the set objectives. This process, facilitated by AIZoCopilot, offers a personalized approach tailored to the specific needs of your business. Let's break it down step by step. So the DMA model in AIZoPlan operates through a 5-step process, as you can see here, called the Stepper DMA. So this process guides organizations in assessing their current digital maturity and developing an improvement plan. So this step includes selecting a digital maturity model, customizing it based on the organization's specific context, evaluating the organization's capabilities against the chosen model, and generating and prioritizing actions using the value matrix framework. So for this DMM, we have five pillars. Under each pillar, we have multiple capabilities, and under each capability, we have multiple enablers. So here comes the customization. So you can edit the question. You can also add other questions. You can specify the priority that you want to identify for each enabler, or you can also deactivate the questions. Moving next to the customization of our DMA. So here we have 2 steps. The first step is state assessment, and the second step is the recommendation generation. So as you can see here, for each enabler, we can select the actual state and the desired state that we are aiming to achieve, etc. We move to the recommendation generation. So here for each enabler, we can select one or multiple recommendations from the library. We can also add manually recommendations, or we can use our intelligent assistant, AIZoCopilot, to help you through this process by generating multiple recommendations based on your needs. So we have here 5 recommendations. We can delete, for example, 2 recommendations, and so on. And you can proceed following the same step for all the other pillars. Moving next to the summary, the display of the summary of our DMA model. So for the summary, as you can see here, we have the global maturity level and the digital maturity for each pillar, etc. Of course, you should focus more on these parts, so the recommendations should be very aligned with what you aim to achieve. We move next to the value matrix. So here we have for each capability the recommendations assigned to it, and we have to fill all these parts by assigning the level of priority, the impact, the complexity, the budget, the horizon, and finally, if you want to create it as a portfolio program or product. We move next to the value creation, which is the next step here. So here we have a total overview of what we have created. So here we have a portfolio, 3 programs and 1 project. So we'll select this one and the program and 1 project, and then we click on validate. Are you sure you want to archive these DMA? Yes. So like this, we have our portfolio and 1 program and 1 project already created. So to sum up, whether you are a beginner or experienced in project management, AIZoPlan offers tools that help you transform your strategic goals into concrete projects, ensuring that you are not only meet your current business needs, but also prepare for future growth. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to learn more about how these tools work, stay tuned for upcoming tutorials, and don't forget to like and subscribe.